By June 1938, Chiang was desperate. He ordered the dikes of the Yellow River broken, hoping the flood would stop the Japanese forces. The people in the area were not warned. For them, it was catastrophic. 11 cities and thousands of villages were flooded. Millions were made homeless. Hundreds of thousands died. And the Japanese continued.
They set out to capture the remaining one-third, starting with the vital railroad junction at Changchao. Changchao is situated on the banks of the Yellow River, China's sorrow. Originally, the river flowed from Changchao southeastward to the Yellow Sea. But nearly a century ago, a great flood abruptly changed its course, swinging it far to the north. For generation upon generation, as the spring floods rushed down to the sea, thousands of Chinese worked on the dikes to hold the river in its new course, protecting their homes and their crops. Now, as the Japs advanced on Changchao, the Chinese blew up the southern dike of the Yellow River, thus loosing a flood between themselves and the Japs. Once more, the river flowed in its old course, forming a barrier which to this day has prevented the Jap from entrenching himself in this area. Thus, once more, with no thought of the human sacrifice of the material cost, with no thought of the human sacrifice of the material cost, with no thought of the human sacrifice of the material cost, the Chinese traded space for time.